Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name is Rebecca and I'm very excited to unbox this. It's been far too long. It has been with me for a while, but we have a Diamond Art Studio unboxing. For anybody that's seen a few unboxings from Diamond Art Studio UK or has had them themselves, you can probably tell by the size of the box that this is another chart to art design. I absolutely adore chart to art. Anybody that knows me, when it comes to diamond paintings, I have a couple of must-haves. Sorry, I'm trying to get in this without ruining the paper, and my desk just isn't big enough due to the size of this box. There we go. Get hold of the bottom of the piece of paper. Oh, we're in. Yeah, I have a couple of must-haves when it comes to diamond painting. One of them is chart to art. The other is paint gem. They are my two must-haves no matter what. And this is the second chart to art that they have recently released. I have all the others, so you'll be able to find those on my videos if need be. But this one is Mystery Dreamworld by EYCIIR. Amazing artwork, have quite a few of their paintings anyway. But this one is a mystery one. So you get a box with your charts, which you get in paper form. You can also get these that will work in Pattern Keeper, so that you can use the tablet, very similar to what I do when I'm doing my Heaven and Earth design. And then you get information inside. So this one, you need to follow the same sequence. So it will let you know whether you need to follow the sequence or whether you can put them in random places. So if anybody saw me open Ghosts Doing Stuff, which was the last one of the new releases, let me show you this box. So this one, each chart is the same size and will fit any of the doors. They did them in the following order, but they are interchangeable. So for this one, you could put any chart in any square. But for this one, this creates one full image. So for this, you need to do it in order. So square one will go in day one. Just to show you the envelopes, so for day one, when you open it up, you do get a chart, and it is upside down. So I'm going to try to only show you part of it so that you're not seeing any sort of full image. But this is the first section. So as you can see, you follow the symbols on here, because the symbols on here are blank. You do get a colour list chart, so you can carry that around with you if you want to. I like to do these on Pattern Keeper. I like to do the digital charts because I can mark them off as I go along. But I absolutely adore these. And I don't care what the image is. It's the process I love. I don't expect to be disappointed in the image in any which way whatsoever, just to be clear. But it's the process of these that I absolutely love doing. So you get your sticker chart that confirms which one it is. You get your colours. Oh, what have we got in here? Oh, we've got 2 diamond dust drills in this one. 304 and 995, which is awesome. So as you can see here, it is split into 25 different days or sections. So that first section that we pulled out will go here. You do get some of the chart on the actual canvas itself. This does not overlap the paper chart. So you would do this completely independent or as you go along. It's completely up to you. But the paper chart just dictates what goes in these blank squares. I have done their Christmas one just using the paper chart, and I just used a pencil and sort of crossed them off as I went along, very much the same way that I did cross stitch when I did that. But in this one, yes, you need to do them in order, because when you've finished, you will have one complete picture rather than lots of different ones. So there are 30 different colours. These are done in square, so that there's no gaps. We do have 3 packs of 310 by the looks of it, but you can sort of see the colour tones that this one is going to give you. That's about as much of a hint as you're going to get. I don't know what this image is. I may have been informed what this image is at some point, but I no longer remember at all. What I also like to do with this, with these charts, and I actually need to do it with both of them, is I like to download the charts and import them into Pattern Keeper now. Because while I could get somebody else in the household to import them for me, because Pattern Keeper does flash up with the image before you import it, which sort of could potentially spoil the surprise. I have the sort of memory that will, you know, unless I sit there and study it, I will forget it by the time I actually get to do it. So I like to import all the charts early on, which gives me chance to forget them before I get to do them. And then it's a surprise all over again. So let's have a quick look at the ones that are diamond dust, just so that you can see the actual colours a little bit more, so you can get an idea for the colour palette. This one is available on their website. I have just had a look, but folks, see, we've got some gorgeous pinky. Oh, that's a pretty blue. I like that bright red as well. Here we go. Here is, ooh, so we have 5 packets of diamond dust in 995. So we're going to have quite a bit of diamond dust in this one, more than we have 310, which is not a bad thing. It's not picking up, I don't know if the camera is picking up the shine, but a lot of the diamonds you can actually see the back of them, not the front, so it might not pick up the glitter, but believe me, diamond dust is beautiful. And then we have 304, which we have a nice big bag of. We also have 3 5200s, 996 we have 4 of. We've definitely got quite a few blues in this one, and 823 we have 4 of. So you can see we've got quite a few blues, but then really nice hints and pops of reds. Makes me think I've not seen this design. Very excited for it. I'm very excited for ghosts as well. I don't know which one I'm going to do first. Maybe I'll have to let the decision wheel choose for me which one of these I'm going to do first. I'll find them in there in a bit. But yeah, in the kit you get, of course, your canvas with the chart on. You get your envelopes, your paper envelopes. I think they are moving to digital with these soon, though I'm not sure when. But as you can see, these are the symbols that you follow, and they will go into section 1. Don't stick this to this, just saying. I haven't done, but don't do it. But it's very easy to follow along, or at least I find it fairly easy to follow along. You know your brain and whether it works for you. But Chart to Art does take diamond painting to a whole new level, a whole different twist on things. It's a mystery diamond painting to the extreme, and yeah, they're absolutely fantastic. So this one is the Chart to Art Mystery Dreamworld by EYCIIR. Say I have quite a few of her diamond paintings anyway that aren't mystery ones, and I've loved doing them all, so I know full well I'm going to love doing this one as well. I'm part way through Floral Surprise at the moment, and if I get a bit more time to diamond paint, I may get to finishing that one and I'll show you. Any of the chart to art that I have finished, you will find on my channel in a breakdown video or a dekitting video. I will dekit it and then I will showcase the painting right at the end of the video, giving enough warning before I do, for anybody that doesn't want the surprise spoiled, sorry. But if you are somebody that would like to know a bit more about chart to art, a bit more what the images do potentially look like when they're finished, then do check out my Diamond Art Studio playlist for them, or my breakdown playlist for them, and you'll be able to see at the end of those videos I will show you the ones that I have completed, and then of course in the future you'll be able to see these. But this one is a 45 by 50, so it's a nice size. I do find each square takes couple of hours normally. One square is a nice diamond painting session for me, and say it involves your brain a little bit differently, and it's really nice to do this alongside a standard diamond painting. And yeah, I love them. I love them. I love them. I love them. So I will pop a link, and of course a discount code is always in every video down below in case you fancy giving one of these a go. But yeah, any questions, do bob them in the comments, and I will try and answer any. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.